Space exploration began with the launch of Sputnik, won by the Soviet Union in 1957, marking the start of the space age. This small satellite, just 58 centimeters in diameter, orbited Earth and sent back radio pulses, igniting the space race and prompting the United States to respond. NASA was established in 1958, and soon after the Mercury and Gemini programs paved the way for human spaceflight. These early missions tested the limits of human endurance and space technology. Did you know that John Glenn became the first American to orbit Earth in 1962 on board Friendship 7? In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth, a monumental achievement for the Soviet Union. His flight lasted just 108 minutes, but it made him an international hero. The U.S. followed with Project Apollo, culminating in the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above. Armstrong's words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," are forever etched in history. The 1970s saw further lunar missions in the launch of Skylab, the first U.S. space station. Skylab hosted 3 crews and conducted numerous scientific experiments in space. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union launched the successful Salyut and Mir space stations, advancing long-duration human spaceflight. Mir operated for 15 years and was a hub of international cooperation, even hosting American astronauts. The 1980s and 1990s introduced the Space Shuttle program, enabling reusable spacecraft and the construction of the International Space Station, ISS. The Space Shuttle, Columbia's first flight, was in 1981, and it revolutionized how we access space. The ISS, a collaboration between multiple countries, became a hub for scientific research and international cooperation. It orbits Earth every 90 minutes and has hosted astronauts from around the world, conducting experiments that benefit us on Earth. In recent years, private companies have revolutionized space exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, achieved the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit with the Falcon 1 in 2008. Their Falcon 9 rockets are now regularly launching satellites and resupplying the ISS. Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, and other companies like Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic, are pushing boundaries with reusable rockets and space tourism. Virgin Galactic aims to make space accessible to civilians, with suborbital flights providing a few minutes of weightlessness. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, with plans for a sustainable presence and future missions to Mars. The Artemis missions will include the first woman and the next man on the moon, targeting the lunar South Pole. International collaborations continue with missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, poised to explore the universe's deepest secrets. This telescope will look further back in time than ever before, examining the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Space exploration has evolved from a competition to a collaborative endeavor, uniting humanity in the quest to explore beyond our world. It inspires innovation, from satellite technology that improves our daily lives to medical advancements developed in space. Curious about the cosmos? Like and subscribe for more adventures in space exploration, and join us as we unravel the mysteries of the universe.